You're standing in the aisle looking at two mini splits that look almost identical on the outside, but you're about to make a choice that could cost you an extra $3,000 in repairs down the road. Most people think a higher efficiency number always wins, but in the ductless world, there is a hidden trade-off between seasonal savings and long-term protection that most contractors won't tell you until the bill arrives. I've spent 17 years in the HVAC trenches after working as a nuclear electrical operator in the Navy. When you're dealing with reactor plants, you learn that reliability isn't just a buzzword, it's everything. In the field, I don't look at brochures. I look at what happens when a system has been running for 5 years in the real world. We are pitting the Hessaire Standard Series against the Hotpoint Ductless Heat Pump Series. Now, these might seem like budget-friendly twins, but they represent two completely different approaches to ductless comfort. One is chasing the efficiency crown, while the other is betting big on a set-it-and-forget-it reliability strategy. Both of these units are born in China, which is the heart of global mini-split manufacturing. Hessaire leans into that DIY high-spec energy, while Hotpoint, backed by the GE higher legacy, focuses on a more traditional, stable build quality that pros recognize. Both systems are running coated coils. From a contractor's perspective, this is your insurance policy. Without that coating, the tiny aluminum fins on your outdoor unit turn into a pile of white powder the second they smell salt air or industrial smog. It's the difference between a system that actually hits its lifespan and one that's leaking refrigerant before the kids finish elementary school. Hessaire is the clear winner on paper with a 19.5 SEER, while Hotpoint sits at an 18 SEER. Now, don't get blinded by the light. That 1.5 point gap sounds big, but in reality, you're looking at maybe a few bucks a month difference on your power bill. Hessaire is designed for those who want to squeeze every drop of efficiency out of a budget unit, while Hotpoint is playing the good enough game to keep costs down. Let's look at the damage to your wallet. Hessaire Standard Series, $987.19 average Hotpoint. Ductless Series, $975.67 average. We are talking about a $12 difference. For the price of a couple of fast food meals, you're basically choosing between two identical price points, which means the decision has to come down to what happens after the install. This is where the fight gets lopsided. Hessaire gives you 1 year on parts and 7 years on the compressor. Hotpoint, they're offering a massive 10-year parts warranty with that same 7-year compressor coverage. In my world, a 10-year parts warranty is a massive confidence signal. It means if a circuit board fries in year 8, you aren't paying $600 for a proprietary part. Listen, regardless of which one you pick, you've got to keep the indoor filters clean. Mini splits use a very tight coil pitch, and even a little bit of dust can choke the airflow, causing the system to ice up and leak water down your wall. It's the #1 service call I get, and it's 100% preventable by the homeowner. The winner is the Hotpoint Ductless Heat Pump Series. Hessaire might give you a slightly better efficiency rating, but in the field, I'll trade 1.5 SEER points for an extra 9 years of parts protection any day of the week. At nearly the exact same price point, the Hotpoint warranty turns a budget unit into a long-term asset. For the average homeowner, the peace of mind knowing your parts are covered for a full decade outweighs the pennies you'll save on the slightly higher Hessaire efficiency. Shop like a pro by using the head-to-head tool on HVAC-for-beginners.com.